Guys, if your business needs a pickup that can survive Kenyan roads, carry heavy loads, handle rough sites, and still start every morning without drama, this video is for you guys. So today we are checking out some of the best commercial workhorses, pickups under 2 million Kenya shillings, from a tough diesel legends to affordable hustler machines, perfect for biashara, that's business, farming, construction, even deliveries. So we have some of the units here. Let's find out. We have this one is here is Nissan Patrol Y61, guys. Nissan Patrol Y61. This for, it's not just a pickup style. This is not just a pickup style horse. This thing looks ready for a UN mission in Turkana. You can look at that. Very nice. This is a, it's a 3000 cc engine capacity. That's diesel. It gives you serious pulling power, especially for rough terrains, businesses, quarry work, or even towing, guys. So it's a 4-wheel drive option. That means muddy farms and construction sites are not a problem. Look at that, the interior look, very nice, very clean. Let's look at the mileage, guys. Mileage is 141,699,000 kilometers for this legend here, guys. So quick question, will you use this for business or off-road adventure, guys? You can comment down below. You can see that it looks amazing. And can this survive Kenyan potholes better than matatus? Comment down below. You can see it as a bulba, very nice. So this unit here goes for 1.48 million Kenya shillings, guys. This one is another one. This is another Nissan Patrol. This one now is UY61. It brings that boss look while still remaining a serious work machine. Now the 2953 cc diesel engine is powerful and also reliable for long distance cargo trips. So inside it feels more comfortable. That's the rear view, you can see that. And that's the trunk or the cargo space. Inside it feels more comfortable. I'll show you the interior than many commercial pickups. Very nice. That's the rear view, guys. So this unit here goes for 1.59 million Kenya shillings. 1.59 million Kenya shillings. Just look at that. Very comfortable. The mileage there, let's see. Mileage is 110,000 kilometers, guys. This best for farm owners, contractors, business owners wanting comfort plus roughness. So would you daily drive this in Nairobi traffic or reserve it for work only? You can comment down below your thoughts, guys. So trust me, one of these pickups is so tough. Mechanics fear unemployment. So let's move around, check for more of these pickups, guys. Let me show you the engine. This is the way it looks, the engine looks for this pickup truck. That's the engine, guys. Very nice. So if you're interested in any of the units, my number is on the screen. As always, just contact me so that we finish up that business, guys. Next we have a Nissan Hardbody. This is now double cab. Today is a Nissan day, guys. This is a legendary Hardbody. If Kenyan pickups had a hall of fame, this one will definitely enter first round. So it's manual transmission, diesel engine. It's a 4-wheel drive it has a 4-wheel drive option. Just look at the rear view, very nice. That's the trunk space, guys. So this pure biashara specification. Why people love this Nissan Hardbody? It's extremely durable. That's why most people love it. And also it's cheap to maintain. Just look at the interior, very nice. Easy to repair almost everywhere. And it's perfect for heavy work, guys. That's why it's called Nissan Hardbody. Hardbody. This unit here goes for 1.25 million Kenya shillings. Again, you can use this as a for business. You can use it for as a family car. It's double cab, so it's multi-purpose, guys. And this one is best for hardware deliveries, farming, small business transport, and even rural operations. So let's be honest, every village fundi knows this pickup. Yeah, this Nissan Hardbody goes for 1.25 million Kenya shillings. Very nice. Next, we have a common car in Kenya here called Toyota Hilux. This is now the Vigo. Now this is the Kenyan celebrity pickup, Vigo. The Hilux has built a reputation for toughness, reliability, and also excellent resale value across Kenya. Even the two-wheel drive version still performs very well for business use, or even the normal roads, guys. So this unit here goes for 1.65 million Kenya shillings. Negotiable price 1.65 million Kenya shillings, guys. Very nice. So why entrepreneurs love this unit, this Toyota Hilux? It's easy to find its spare parts, strong resale value, and also reliable diesel engine. Mechanics everywhere understand it, guys. Look at the interior, very clean. Is Hilux overrated or properly rated? Very nice. That's the rear view of this unit, guys. Let's look at that. Looks amazing. This goes for 1.65 million Kenya shillings. All these prices, guys, they are negotiable. They are negotiable. So there's another unit here. This is a D-Max. This is Isuzu D-Max. This is the silent hustler. Many Kenyan business owners prefer the D-Max because of its low maintenance cost and also strong diesel reliability. So this pickup is built like a commercial truck, wearing casual clothes. sorry. So this D-Max, though we don't have most of its specifications like the year, CC, but you can tell if you know about more about pickup trucks, you can tell. So what makes it special? Isuzu, it's fuel efficient D-Max, also excellent payload capability, strong suspension, and it's great for long-term business use, guys. This is another D-Max, this one here. So if you want a value for your money, this one deserves serious attention. At this price, this one goes for This one goes for 1.35 million Kenya shillings, but the previous one was going for 1.5 million Kenya shillings. So this one here goes for 1.35 million Kenya shillings, negotiable price. It's best for startups, delivery businesses, agro business, even the construction support. So this is the owner, guys. If you're interested in this, just feel free to contact the seller, guys. Feel free to contact the seller. This one is for 2007, 2500cc engine capacity. It goes for 1.35 million Kenya shillings. Negotiable price 1.35 million Kenya shillings. This is a 2007 model, guys. The other one, the previous one, we don't have the details for the year. The mileage for this is, you can see, it's 268,000 kilometers. Very nice. If you're interested, just contact the number on the screen. I'll help you acquire this unit, guys. Very nice. Very clean, very clean, very clean. That's Isuzu D-Max. Next we have another one here, the old school. This one here, this now called Mitsubishi L200. Now this is the budget hustler. For under 1 million, getting a diesel pickup with commercial capability is already a win, guys. This one here goes for 750,000 Kenya shillings. 750,000 Kenya shillings. So the L200 is known globally as a dependable workhorse pickup. It's good for good things about this unit. Affordable entry price, like it goes for 750,000 Kenya shillings, guys. Diesel economy, good load carrying ability, and also easy ownership cost. Things to check on this: check on the suspension condition, chassis rust, and leaf strings, if heavily used leaf strings, guys. So this is perfect for entrepreneurs starting small but thinking big, guys. You come for this Mitsubishi L200. And finally, this one is the true definition of no nonsense workhorse. This Toyota Hilux. Very nice. It's manual diesel Hilux model, are loved in Kenya because they are simple, reliable, and also extremely durable. Look at that. Very clean, guys. So why this pickup still dominates? It has a strong resale value. That's very common with Toyota cars or pickup trucks. Strong resale value, and also reliable diesel engine, tough suspension, and excellent for rough business use. Even after years of abuse, these pickups still keep going, guys. Keep going. So, conclusion: if you are looking for any pickup truck best for tough, or for the better resale value, best resale value, go for Toyota Hilux. Best tough commercial work, Isuzu D-Max. Very nice. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next one, guys.